Hello everyone, myself Kagni Vishnu and today's topic of daily task video is Tenali Tales, Tenali Tales reward and punishment. So let's start the story. So once upon a time there was a one kingdom whose name is Vijayanagar and the king of Vijayanagar is Krishna Dev Rai and the capital of the Vijayanagar is Hampi. So one day what happened? Tenali Ram comes with his family for the worship of gods in the capital of Vijayanagar, which is Hampi. So he thinks that I can meet with the Krishna Dev Rai, King Krishna Dev Rai. So he asked him. He said his wife, wait for me. I will come from the palace of the king. The King Krishna Dev Rai gives me some things. So the Tenali Ram's wife said okay. So when Tenali Ram goes near the palace, first guard stopped the Tenali Rama and said you cannot enter into the palace without the permission. So Tenali Rama said to the guard, I came from the long place, so I want to enter in the palace. The King Krishna Dev Rai may gift me some things. So after hearing that, the guard said that you may get gift from king, but what can I get? So after that, King Krishna says that Tenali Ram says that whatever king gives me, I will share the 50% of that. So God says okay, and he let's go enter into the palace. So after that, after some time, in the next door, he also stopped by another guard, and he asked a repeated question. You cannot enter into the palace without any permission, without the permission of kings. So Tenali Rama after repeated says, I came from a long place and I want to enter in the darbar. So king may gift me some things. So after that, God asked him, you may take gift, but what I get. So after that, Tenali Ram said that whatever king gives me, I will give you 50% of that. So he said okay, and he lets go the Tenali Rama to the darbar. So when Tenali Ram comes near the kings, the king was not in a good mood. So he says to the another guard, give him a 50 slash. So Tenali Ram said that don't give me 50 slash. I want to share it with my two friends. So I want to share with my two friends. So by hearing that, the king says that who is your two friends? So he said that this is your two honest guards. So by hearing that, king got angry, and he said to the another guard, he said to the another guard, take him to the river side and cut his head with one stroke. So by hearing that, another two guards are also happy. So this is a story of reward and punishment. Thank you so much.